Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to this new tutorial where I'm gonna teach you the 5-step. The 5-step is very uncommon because it's very similar to the 4-step and to the 6-step. So many people just don't do it and prefer doing the 6-step or the 4-step. But actually I like it because to me it seems kinda like a 6-step but a little bit more dynamic. And there are two main ways to do it, so I'm gonna teach you both in this tutorial and then I'm gonna show you a few variations. Let's start from the position 0. I'm gonna teach you the 5-step in the clockwise way and I'm gonna start with the left hand. Position 0, left hand on the floor, and we're gonna sweep the left leg in this way, arriving in the hook. 0, 1. Step number 2 is just going backwards with the right leg, so 2. And then we're gonna go backwards with the left leg again. 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. From here we're gonna kick the right leg in this way and we're gonna jump with the left leg landing on our heel. Step number 3, 4. And the step number 5 is swinging the right leg and going back to the position 0. Like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always remember, when you are in the position 0, don't stay too close, kinda like this, and never stay with your heels on the floor. So always with your toes and try to bend your knees forward, kinda like this a little bit, and open your legs. Because if you stay small and close, your footwork will look uglier. But if you stay more wide, it will look more like a power move. The first way to do the 5-step is more similar to a 6-step. Now this other way is a little bit more similar to the 4-step. So if you can already do the 4-step, this one will be very easy for you. Position 0, as usual, the first step is the same as before. So hook, but from here we're gonna slide with the left foot backwards and we're gonna open our legs and the right leg will kick in the air. So from here, slide back and jump a little bit with the right leg, like this. 0, 1, 2. And from here, we're gonna just kick this leg in this way and we're just gonna lean it. So 2, 3. From here, we're gonna move the left leg forward and we're gonna go to a hook again, like this. So step number 3, 4. And the step number 5 is coming back to the position 0. So 5. Notice that when I come back to the position 0, I don't just do this, but I try to swing as more as I can the right leg. The wider is the swing, the better will look. So for example, if you do just that, it's not that nice, right? But if you do like that, it looks nicer, right? You have to move your leg all around. So from here, swing your leg and put it back here. The wider is the movement, the better will look. So again, slowly. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm gonna show you a few variations, but then it's up to you to create new ones. If you want to send me your clips where you try the 5-step or variations of the 5-step on my Instagram at Kaio, and I'm gonna use your clips for my next tutorial that will be about the 6-step. And also if you want, check out my merch, links will be in the description. And see you next Friday with the next episode. Yo ninjas!